I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. We'll unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Hello students, I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be learning how to multiply large numbers, okay? So, we're going to be doing this example, okay? So, this is called standard equation, and it's just kind of like the common way to do this, okay? So let's say I have 3,814, okay? And I want to multiply that times 2, okay? So the way I would do this is 3,814 times 2, and I would set it up like this, okay? So, let me just go ahead and move this over. Perfect. Okay, so now when I do this, I'm going to be multiplying one thing at a time, okay? So 2 times 4, which is what? 2 times 4 is 8, good. So I'm going to put 8 right there. Next, 2 times 1. Which is what? 2, good. Next I would do 2 times 8, which is what? 16, good. Remember, 2 digits cannot go in one place value, okay? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 6 right here and put the 1 on top of my 3, okay? And now last is 2 times 3, which is what? 6, good, plus 1, which equals 7. Okay, don't forget that 1 up there. So that means my answer is 7, my product. Ooh, look at that vocabulary. My product is 7,228. Okay? And that's standard equation. All I have to do is just multiply across, right? That's all I'm doing, is multiply across. Okay? Let's go ahead and learn another way to do this. This one is called partial products. Okay? Let me lower this down. Partial products. So, basically the same way that we've been doing this, right? Okay, let's say I have 3,814 times 2 again, okay? So remember, now I'm just doing partial products. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to multiply 2 times each value, okay? So for instance, I'm gonna start on 2 times the value of 4, which is what? What is the value of 4? This 4 right here. Good, 4, because in the ones place. 2 times 4 is what? 8, good, okay. Next, 2 times the value of 1. What is the value of this one right here? Good, 10, which equals what? 20, good. Now, 2 times the value of this 8, which is what? 800, good. Remember, power of 10, power of 10. All I have to do is multiply 2 times 8, which is what? 16. Good. And then how many zeros? 1, 2, 1, 2. Look at that. Good. Last one is just multiply 2 times the value of 3, which is what? 8,000. Good. Remember, power of 10 still works here, okay? 2 times 3 is what? 6. Good. And now how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now all I have to do is just go ahead and add all these numbers up. But I'm going to organize it just a little bit, okay? So I'm going to put 6,000 here. Then I'm going to put 1,600, which is 1,600. Then I'm going to put 20, and then I'm going to put 8. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8. Good, 8. 0, 0 plus 2. 2, good. 0 plus 6. 6, good. 6 plus 1. 7, good. So my product is 7,628. Good job. Alright? So that's partial products. Remember, all I'm doing is just multiplying each 2 by each value. Okay? So we're going to do another example, which is area model. Okay? Same thing, kind of like partial products, right? Almost like the kind of. So let's say again I have 3,814 times 2. Okay. Now when I do this, remember, all I'm doing is just breaking the 3,814 into each value again. Okay. So imagine I have this box here, right? Okay, and I'm gonna break it up just like this, and my 2 goes on this side. Okay, and when I break up this number, the value of 3 is what? What is the value of 3? 3,000, good, plus the value of 8, which is what? 800, good, plus the value of 1, which is 10, and then plus 4, which is the same value as 4, okay? Because no one's safe. So all I gotta do is put the numbers right here. Okay. There we go. And all I do is go ahead and multiply it across. 2 times 3,000 is what? Remember, power of 10. 2 times 3 is 6, and then add 1, 2, 3, 0. And then 2 times 8, 2 times 800. So remember, power of 10. 16, and then add how many zeros? 1, 2. Good. 2 times 10, 20. 2 times 4, 8. Now all I gotta do is just go ahead and add these numbers up. Just like how we've been doing. Nothing different. Okay. There we go. Our product is 7,228. Good job. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna give you a practice problem, and you need to make sure that you get this, okay? Right back. Here is your practice problem, okay? So, there are 27 teams in a hockey league. There are 16 players on each team. How many players are in the hockey league, okay? So, do the problem solving board and it'll help you on what to do with this one, okay? Number 2, solve with area model. 3 times 9,361, okay? Go ahead and answer both of these questions, and I'm gonna pause the video right here and I'm gonna give you the answer, okay? You're gonna have to figure out how to do this, okay? Yeah, you can use a calculator, okay? But guess what? When we ask you how you got this answer, you better know how to do it, okay? Because at this point, it doesn't matter whether you have the answer or not. What matters is whether you know how to do this, okay? So guess what? Use a calculator if you want to, But guess what? At the end of the day, what matters is whether you know how to do this or not. Okay? Pause the video right here, and then give it the answer, and see if you got the correct answer. If not, then you need to go back to watch these videos so that way you know how to do the correct way. Okay? Alright, here are the answers. The answer for number 1 is 432. The answer for number 2 is 28,083. Okay? So make sure you know how to get these answers. The answer doesn't, whether you got it correct or not, it doesn't matter. It's about whether you know how to get the answer or how to actually do this. Okay? At this point, getting the answer doesn't matter. It's about whether you know how to do this correctly. Okay? So, that is it for today. I hope you learned a lot and I hope you are getting it together. Okay? That is it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.